Hey guys, it's Awesome Bully again. Today we're going to talk about the best time to trade. Best time to trade is obviously going to be in the morning and at night. Well, at night I mean evening. So when I talk about times, I want to mention that I am in the Central Standard Time. So make sure you convert your time properly, just so you understand where I am coming from, or my location in the world, I should say. So personally, I like to trade between the times of my market opens at 8:30. I like to trade between 9 and 10:30. And then I like to trade between 1 and 3. Okay? Why do I not trade in the middle? Why do I not trade early in the morning at market open? These are things I will explain. So let's look at SPX just for a good reason, and I will visit other stocks like Facebook, and I'm sure I'll pull up Netflix or something. So let me pull up the time frame here. So as you can see, the time will be here. So if I trade market open, oops. I guess y'all lost me. Show all windows. Sorry. So I like this time here. So if we look, market open is always crazy. It is not a good predictor of success. Obviously, if you would have seen this in the morning, you'd be like, oh crap, we're going to have a red day. Actually, it was a great green day. Let's see another example. If you would have traded first thing in the morning, you're like, crap, we're going to have a red day. We had a great green day. Okay, so I don't like the mornings to fake me out, and the mornings, if I wait, it also gives me more time to understand, crap, I did it again, understand what is happening, what patterns we're seeing, and all that good stuff. So as you can see, if I wait till 9, I can get a good understanding. You can see we have a high, we have a low. I can see what's going on. I can start to see I can start to see a formation happening, like a pattern, such as my favorite, the triangle. So let's look, and I swear, don't do this again. I guess I'm gonna have to stop moving it. I'll show you this one, and then I'll stop. So this one, I waited. 9 was about here, so I could see a nice form breakout. And I'm sorry, but I'm just going to go back to this from now on, so stop doing that. So I like to wait till 9 because I can start to form my patterns here. Of course, this is the best time for me. Obviously, the best time to trade will be between market open to 10:30. If you're a market open person, go for it. Whatever works for you. If it's making you money, keep doing it. That's all I can say and attest to. Trading between 9 and 10:30 is what works for me. But the reason why I don't like to trade between 10:30 and 1 is because of volume. Okay, so obviously this is XPX. You see no volume candles because there's always something trading. It's an index. It is one of the most liquid things you could ever see. Now let's go to, why is that? Oh, I pulled up a new tab. I know now. Hold on. Dang, float on top. All right, that's a lot better. There we go. Sorry. So if we look at Facebook here, you can see that we have huge volume spikes morning, and as 10:30 comes, which is about here, we have one last spike, or at least it was today, and then we die out. You see this dead zone, and then as we hit 1, we start to pick up, 2, 3, huge. Okay, let's look at the next day. Okay, open, huge, 10:30. It's like my final dead zone. It's dead. Okay, we did something here because we dropped low. 1, we start to pick up, and we start to pick up. So that is another reason. Let's look at the same. Well, SPY is going to be a little. Let's see actually if I can. I'm going to put it into Netflix, and someone mentioned IWM today, and yeah, that's about it. I guess we're going to mention today. Okay, so in regards to time, so let's look at something that shows volume. So the best time is obviously market open to 9:30, or I mean 10:30. It gives you the most volume, liquidity, stuff is moving, and then 1 to 2, that gives you that volume. Now, how are we going to trade in respects to events? Okay, so I want to know, if you want to know what is happening with your stock, I recommend Bloomberg, or TOS has the news. Another useful thing that I like to use is, let's see, where am I? This is Google. I'm probably going to pull myself up again. Show all windows. Or not. It doesn't like me today. Okay, so y'all are just going to get to hear me talk. Obviously, this is the group chat. Let's go on to other stuff. All right, so this is forexfactory.com. You just type in Forex Factory. It's going to be your top one. You click calendar. I'll X out of this, okay? It gives you the calendar for the week. Every Sunday, I like to go over this. I like to see what is happening. Now, our currency, we're going to focus, and we want to care about this. New Zealand dollar, no, blah, blah, blah. You want to look for USD news, okay? So USD, final manufacturing, PMI, construction spending. Hold on, some water. Okay, we have all this stuff. It's that's, to me, that's whatever. I've seen it. It doesn't affect much. Total vehicle sales, whatever. Okay, I know that's something important, but it never really affects it much. And it's aftermarket. No, that's actually, yeah, it's aftermarket, so whatever. USD, okay, we have some more crude oil inventories. How's that going to affect what I'm trading? It's not. Okay, but what I saw this week that was something to look out for was the trade balance, obviously because it's red. It was important. Trade balance, yeah, that's something. And the thing that hit me the most here was right here, USD Fed Chair Powell speaks. Obviously red. And as we can see, if we want to look back when he started speaking, straight down. But he has a tendency to do that because of the fraudulent stuff that he's been through. So best times to trade is morning and the first, I would say, 2 hours of the day and the last two hours of the day, as well as make sure you are paying attention to Forex Factory or wherever you get your news from to make sure that you're not trading during, I don't know, some crazy news output. All right, y'all have a good one. I hope y'all learned the best times to trade the stock market. All right, bye.